So I was playing around with Gemini the other day, basically experimenting, trying to figure out more what the boundaries are, what it can do, what it can't do. And I thought to myself, I don't really spend a lot of time analyzing test questions for depth of knowledge because it takes a long time to do that and to do it correctly. But now with Gemini, I'm wondering if it could do that and generate the results much quicker. So I entered a prompt into Gemini stating that I was going to create a gem to do this, which it did. I basically told it what I wanted, asked it to write a prompt for a gem that would do that. I call that gem Test Doctor, cleverly spelled Doktor, ha ha ha. And basically, what the gem does is I give it one of my tests and it analyzes it and generates a report on the depth of knowledge for each question. And let me just show you this thing in action. I'm just going to use a random test here. And tell it to analyze. And while it's doing that, just describe what you should expect the output to look like here. It's going to identify each question. It's going to identify the current DOK level for each question and provide a rationale for why it is categorizing it at that DOK level. It is then going to suggest a possible rewrite for every question to increase the depth of knowledge by 1, and then explain why that would help with that DOK justification. I'm ignoring DOK4 here because DOK4 generally requires a lengthy period of time, and this is a test, so they don't have a lengthy period of time. But yeah, I just asked it to act like an instructional designer who's an expert in depth of knowledge. And I'm going to input a test. This is what I want the report to look like. And you can kind of see it. It'll show up in just a second, I hope. So it's taking some time to try to generate that. I'm going to stop the recording here, and then I'll just pick it up again once it's done. Oh, here we go. Didn't even have to stop. All right, so I get a report for my current practice test on the depth of knowledge for every single question with suggestions on how I can improve the depth of knowledge on these test questions. And because I use the Canvas feature in my gem, it automatically gives me a report that I can export to Google Docs. So this is just a way to basically check a test or an assignment or a project against any criteria that you want. It doesn't have to be depth of knowledge. That's just the one that I chose. And then I'll share this tab so you can see what it looks like when it exports. But pretty much anything you want to check it against, as long as you tell the gem or Google Gemini what it is, the criteria or guidelines are, you can check against whatever those criteria and guidelines are, and even get suggestions on how to meet them even better. So just kind of a cool little trick that you can use Gemini for. Saves a ton of time, and you get much, much more valuable information for the short amount of time it takes. It's really kind of cool. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tutorials, and you can find my videos on YouTube by searching Low Key PD.